Hi and welcome to All Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this video we're talking about authors. Now Abosa happens to be the one that is logged in and he's a bursar, but he also doubles as what as the librarian in the school system. Now an ICT admin, a teacher or a bursar can be assigned to become a librarian in the school. And since this particular person who is a bursar is also the librarian in the school, he can access the homepage of the library or the librarian's account using the profile drop down and coming to the place that is the button that is labeled library. And when he clicks on it, he will have access to the interface of the librarian's interface. The homepage at the homepage of the librarian's interface, he will be presented with the list of those student details or those books that have been borrowed and have not been returned, and we can actually access the authors which we want to talk about. Now if you click on this navigation button here, we'll be presented with the author's interface, and we can specify, you can name the author we want to talk about, we want to record his detail on the platform. Now we'll be talking about James Chadwick, and his profile is that he was an English physicist. He was an English nuclear physicist. It's from nuclear physicist. Now we can save that and he will become one of the items there. Now it says that the author James Chadwick saved successfully. This is the record we just saved, and we can click here to use here to edit his record. We can click on this to have access to all the authors we have created, and we can click on this. Using this place we can edit on any of them, like Joseph Prince. Now we can click on there and we can edit his profile. Let's go back to his to the interface showing all the listing all the authors. Now we can actually click on this like this, and if we click on it we'll have access to video record of the person. Now this particular author, his surname is Achebe, the first name Chinua, and the profile is a famous Nigerian novelist and activist. Now after saving an item as an author, after creating an author item, the person can then be linked to a book when you are creating a book. This will help to actually make the book more coherent when you are trying to analyze how many books were written by a particular author, classify books by author, and every other thing. At this particular junction, I've come to the end of this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Make sure to sign up on our scholars.